Heads up, guys. Welcome to Forex Walker. Welcome to episode 107. So, I'm having a few issues here with the current trades that I'm taking. So, what will happen here? Okay, the issues are with the JPY. Let me remove this. It did not happen because of the huge economic divergence between the JPY and the pound. And this is a pound JPY, and another trade is the euro JPY, which I'll be showing you in a second. So, what is happening here is we have on one of our trades. I won't be able to show you the whole page because that will show you my account number, and down here you will see my balance, and I don't want you to see that part. So what is happening here is that this being the pound JPY that I just showed you, this is actually the Euro JPY that I'm having issues with. The take profit level is up here. We'll show it to you in a second, and let me show it the pound, the Euro JPY for you. Euro NZD is actually one of the trades that I'll be taking in the future, and I will explain to you what exactly that is. So what we have on the this is the Euro JPY up here. What we have on the JPY is that the take profit level was up here. Remember, this is not a fundamental trade. This is just the market repositioning itself on the euro side of the market, where we're expecting the market to introduce to flip all the way down there, because the euro is actually pricing in some interest rate hikes in the future, where I expect it to collapse all the way down to the 23.6. Or if it doesn't go to the 23.6 before it takes off, let me just show you an example of what I'm expecting in the future. Is that we are gonna have the market touch this level, then it has to collapse to the 23.6, and then it has to take off. So there's a high possibility that when the market does that, it might break below this low. So that being, remember, if the JPY does not give us a spike, we may not get that move that we are having, even though we have some tensions in the Middle East. But these huge pullbacks are caused by interest rates, the beginning of interest rate changes by the central bank of the ECB, the European Central Bank. So a lot of people, when at the beginning, when I started my fundamental trades, when they introduced interest rate hikes, I started by buying the market, but that is a problem for the market, and especially when you are taking major currencies like the Euro NZD. I don't want to use the JPY. I'll replace it with the NZD because of certain reasons that I'm looking into. But especially with the tensions in the Middle East. But this is something that might happen. It may happen this way, or you might get, instead of that, you might get something like this. But when the interest rate hikes are introduced, we might get a break above this high over here. But I will not be taking profit all the way up there. My take profit level is just at the touch of this order block over here. This order block that supplied all of the cells from up there. That's where I'm expecting to take profit. And after that, we're going to have economic projections. I believe they will be on the 17th of June. Those are in economic projections on the US dollar. And we're going to have interest rate hikes on the 11th of June for the euro. And We also have interest rate hikes for the JPY. I think it'll be on the 15th of June, but and that's the reason why I'm exiting the JPY trades ahead of the 11th. So that's the reason why I need to take profit here before they introduce interest rates, because we might have a huge spike like this one and fail to take our profits. So that's what I'm looking out for. And on the pound JPY, what I'm looking at the moment is that I'll be taking profit. Let me check that vertical line. I don't see it, but when I do get a vertical line, let me just look for a vertical line and I'll come back to you in a second. So for the pound, I'll be taking profit on the 11th. I hope you can see this blue marking down here. I'll be taking profit on the 11th of June, 2026. That's where I'll be taking profit from here. That is next week, Thursday, I believe. That's where I'll be taking profit. It shows you down there. And that will be for the pound JPY trades on both accounts. As you can see down there, you have below this mouse, you have AvaTrade and XM. I'm not paid to tell you about them, but those are just the active brokers that I have allocated for you. So I can show you that the zero point zero 0.01 lot size can actually work if you use it properly. That's the message that I'm trying to send to many people. Let me show you what is happening here on the markets. This is the XM account, and you can see that down here it says $117, and the largest lot size that was used in this instance is, as you can see down here. I hope you can see my mouse. Down here is 0.03. That is the largest lot size, and the other lot sizes are 0.01 lot sizes down here. Here it says 1K, but actually it means 0.01 lot size, and the only largest lot size is 0.03. And that is exactly, and the total of these positions is 0.06 lot size, and 0.04 for the pound JPY trades. And here you can see that we are trending at 116 or $117, and those are the current profits that we are having on these tiniest lot sizes. Remember, when you have $100 account and you have a balance that looks something like this, then that means you just made twice your account. You just doubled your account, and that those are the reasons why you need. I call these accounts my McDonald's accounts because I use them for McDonald's when I do take my profits. So this is AvaTrade, why you can see that we are trading, which is a much smaller account compared to the other one. We're actually trading at $64, and $64 is a lot for $100 account. And we're about to be taking profit. Remember, we're taking profit on the 11th. Here it says it, but there's a high possibility that you may not be able to see it. But it's actually saying the 11th of June 2026. That's the time that I'll be taking profit on the pound JPY trade. However, on the Euro JPY, the take profit levels are much closer on this order block that I've showed you on the other side. And if it doesn't want to go to the take profit level on both accounts, I will have to take profit or just liquidate the position because of I'm not really expecting any bullish move coming out of of the euro, and there's a high possibility that the euro might perceive interest rate hikes, but it hasn't done it in the immediate time frame that we had. If it does not perceive interest rate hikes, that is okay with me. I'll just wait for the future of the euro to show itself. But the best thing will be that if you're holding longs all the way down here on the euro JPY, you can keep holding. But when the interest rate hikes come in, they might shake the market. You might have a pullback like this and lose all of your profits. So the best thing to do it is wait for the market to shake itself off, especially with interest rate projections on the 17th of June on the euro. You might have issues with the market shaking you off and having a spike on the JPY. And that's the reason why I had to avoid taking trades on the euro on JPY trades, where I had to focus on the Euro NZD. And that's the reason why I'm looking at the Euro NZD, because I want to substitute the JPY with another currency that will not shake me off, that will not shake me out of the market. So that's part of the reason why I had to liquidate the JPY trades, avoiding the spikes that come with any huge changes in wars and other things. So I had to look for the NZD, which is a little bit more stable. Nevertheless, they are still talking about interest rate hikes in the future, and they're not ignoring them. But at the moment, we can hold all the way up to July. And after July, they might have their own interest rate hikes after the Australian dollar introduced its own interest rate hikes. And after that, we can actually look into liquidating the trade and looking at something else. And I will take a JPY trade, but not at this moment. I'll be taking euro with the JPY in a much later stage with a much smaller lot size, and I will invest more money on the euro NZD and look into the future. So I will thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next episode. Goodbye.